Searching for a durable yet stylish faucet that can survive daily abuse? We were too. When we remodeled our powder bathroom on the main level, half bath, we were looking for a solution that was modern and stylish, transitional, but could survive daily use in our main area. I love how easy this is to turn on and off, especially if we have gunky hands from all the life that comes in and out of our main bathroom space. Our plumber had no problem installing it, and it looks good as new, like literally since the beginning. Water pressure has held up, it drains well, it stops well, it turns on and off. Sometimes you can see watermarks, but they're super easy to remove from the handles if that's a sticking point for you. We actually receive a lot of positive comments regarding the matte black finish and the sophistication it adds, as well as how easy it is for little kids to use. One thing of note, if you do want to stop the drain, it's super easy. You just pull straight up on the main fixture. This is with my left hand, so I'm doing the best I can. But as you can see, it stops right away and the whole unit works together beautifully. We have 3 of the faucets in this house, and I would buy it again.